Hi everyone, welcome to this Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the environment setups. So in environment setups, the first step is to install the Node.js and where you can go and you can install the Node.js. So this is the link from the official website. You can go and you can install the Node.js. So if I go and open the Node.js official website, so they have changed the UI. If you go and see the old recording videos on YouTube, so they have the another user interface from last 3 or 4 months. They have changed the this interface. Now they are only providing the one download, and that we can go and you can see over here. So we have 22.17.1 Node.js LTS version. That is the new stable one, and that is supported for long time. And 24.4.1 is the current one, which is still in the testing phase. So obviously you should go and you should prefer the latest versions. And once you go and download this, so exe file will be get downloaded, and you have to go and you have to open the exe file and click on next, like you have installed the notepad plus plus. Same way you have to go and you have to install this. Once the installation is done, now you need to go and you need to verify whether the installation has been done successfully or not. So you have to go and you have to execute the command of node-v or node-. So the first one is the shorthand and this is the full hand. And you're going to get both will go and give you the same output. So if I go and type over here node-v and node-version, okay, node-, it will go and it will give you the same. Instead of suppose if you are getting some text messages like the internal or the external command is not recognized. So that means Node.js is not installed in it successfully. So you have to go and you have to install the Node.js first. Once this Node.js is installation is done, by default npm will be get downloaded. You don't have to go and separately download this npm, which is your Node package manager. And this is the official website of Node package manager. And the same way, the way you have verified the Node.js, you can go and you can verify the npm as well. And that is the npm -v and npm -1. So generally, this npm will go and help us to increase our productivity. So just you have to write a command and it will go and it will search from their ecosystem and it will go and it will download the that library for you. So if you want to visit the official website of Node npm, so this is the official website over here. Suppose if I have to go and install the bootstrap, so if I just type over here and search and click on search, it will go and it will give me the search over here. And if I go and click on this bootstrap, so it will go and it will give all the details like the npm I bootstrap, and then this is the official website homepage. And then we have all this weekly download and the latest version of bootstrap is 5.3. So all the details related to your bootstrap, you can go and you can find on this page. So the first step is to go and install this over here. Once the installation of first step is done, now you have to go and you have to do the installation of second step, where you have to go and you have to install the Angular CLI, and that is your command line interface. And the command to install is npm I, or I is a shorthand install at the rate Angular. So it will go and it will install the latest version of your Angular, or you can go and you can add at the rate latest, or whichever the version you want to go and you want to install, you have to go and you have to verify it. Now, while installing this Angular CLI, we have to keep in mind, like suppose I am in the D drive and I have typed the npm I and at the rate Angular CLI. So generally what this command is going to do? So this command will go and it will install the Angular CLI in the D drive. Tomorrow, if I have to go and work in E drive on Angular application, so I will not able to do the, it will go and it will throw the error because this command has installed the Angular CLI locally in the D drive. So I can go and I can work with Angular on the inside the D drive. If I will go and start working outside of the D drive, so I will go and I will not able to work. So how I can go and I can install this Angular CLI globally in my system? So just you have to add npm I and hyphen g at the rate Angular forward slash CLI. So it will go and it will install now Angular CLI in your system globally. So now you can go and you can work anywhere from your desktop or you from any of the drive. You can go and you can work on the Angular application. Once the Angular CLI is installed successfully, now you have the you'll go and you'll get one command that is our ng command. And with the help of that, you can go and you can run your application. You can create your project on Angular component directives. All that you can go and you can do with this ng command over here. Now to verify whether the Angular CLI is installed successfully or not, ng and then v. Before Angular 15, we used to write ng hyphen v, ng hyphen hyphen version. So you can see in my system, the Angular CLI is the 20.1.1. Now, if you want to go and see what are the things you can go and you can do with the ng, so you just write ng hyphen health, and you can see all this you can go and you can see over here, and you can see the ng version or the alias you can go and you can write with the ng v over here. So this is the second step you have to go and have to perform before working with the your Angular application. And after that, we need one editor and we are going to use the VS Code. And you can go and you can download this VS Code as well from here. Just type over here and it will redirect to the this command. And currently I'm using the Windows operating system. So for me, it is displaying over here the Windows operating system. If you use Mac or Linux, so you can go and you can go over here. So from here, you can go and you can download and you can do the setups. And finally, the first step is the you need one browser to see your output. And that we can go and you can use either the Chrome, Mozilla, Edge, whichever the browser is installed in your system, you can go and you can use that to see the output of this. So this was the environment setups for our Angular application. In our next tutorial, we'll go and we'll create the Angular project. Thank you.